Welcome to the fascinating world of large language models, or LLMs. In this era of rapid technological advancements, LLMs stand out as a testament to the remarkable progress in artificial intelligence, or AI. You might have heard whispers of AI writing poetry, translating languages, or even generating computer code. But what exactly are these LLMs, and how do they work their magic? Buckle up as we embark on an exciting journey to demystify the captivating realm of LLMs. Imagine a world where machines can understand and generate human-like text, a world where language barriers crumble and information flows seamlessly across cultures. This is the promise of LLMs, a powerful type of AI poised to revolutionize how we interact with technology and with each other. From powering conversational AI assistants to revolutionizing content creation, the applications of LLMs are vast and constantly expanding. However, as with any transformative technology, it's crucial to acknowledge and address the potential challenges that LLMs present, such as the propagation of bias and the spread of misinformation. Get ready to be amazed by the power of LLMs and to ponder their implications for our future. At their core, LLMs are sophisticated AI systems trained on massive datasets of text and code. These models learn to understand and generate human-like text by identifying patterns and relationships within the data they consume. This deep understanding of language allows LLMs to perform various tasks, from writing creative stories to translating languages with remarkable accuracy. The secret sauce behind the power of LLMs lies in their unique architecture, often based on a revolutionary concept called transformers. Unlike traditional language models that process text sequentially, transformers leverage a mechanism called attention to analyze words and sentences in relation to all other parts of the text simultaneously. This allows LLMs to grasp context and long-range dependencies within language, enabling a more nuanced and sophisticated understanding of human communication. From summarizing lengthy documents to composing personalized emails, the possibilities offered by LLMs are constantly expanding. Their ability to learn and adapt to new information makes them invaluable tools for researchers, writers, and anyone who interacts with language regularly. LLMs are not just confined to the realm of research labs, they are actively transforming various industries, revolutionizing how we work, learn, and play. One of the most prominent applications of LLMs is in conversational AI. Think of chatbots that can answer your questions, schedule appointments, or even provide customer support with remarkable human-like fluency. LLMs power these intelligent assistants, making them more helpful and efficient than ever before. In healthcare, LLMs are being used to analyze medical records, assist in diagnosis, and accelerate drug discovery. Imagine a future where doctors can leverage LLMs to personalize treatment plans based on vast amounts of medical literature and patient data. Education is another sector being transformed by LLMs, with personalized tutoring systems and intelligent learning platforms emerging to cater to individual learning styles and provide tailored feedback. Writers are using LLMs to overcome writer's block, generate story ideas, and even write entire novels collaboratively with AI. The ability of LLMs to generate human-quality text and code has opened up a world of possibilities in fields like marketing, software development, and more. As these models become more sophisticated and accessible, their impact on various industries will only continue to grow, ushering in a new era of efficiency, innovation, and collaboration between humans and machines. While the potential benefits of LLMs are undeniable, it's crucial to acknowledge and address the potential risks associated with their use. One of the most significant concerns with LLMs is their susceptibility to bias. Since LLMs are trained on massive datasets of text and code, they can inadvertently learn and perpetuate existing biases present in the data. This can lead to biased outcomes, such as discriminatory language in generated text or unfair recommendations in AI-powered systems. Another concern with LLMs is their potential to generate and spread misinformation. Because LLMs are so adept at generating human-like text, it can be difficult to distinguish between information generated by an LLM and information written by a human. Addressing these challenges is crucial to ensuring the responsible and ethical use of LLMs. Researchers and developers are actively working on techniques to mitigate bias in LLMs and develop methods for detecting and combating misinformation. The future of LLMs is brimming with possibilities. As research progresses and technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated and capable LLMs that can understand and generate human language with even greater accuracy and nuance. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we continue to develop and deploy LLMs, it's crucial to prioritize ethical considerations and ensure that these technologies are used for the benefit of humanity. This includes addressing issues of bias, promoting transparency and accountability in LLM development, and fostering dialogue around the societal impact of these powerful tools. By embracing a responsible and ethical approach to LLM development and deployment, we can harness the transformative power of these technologies to create a more inclusive, equitable, and innovative future for all. The journey into the world of LLMs is an ongoing one, requiring collaboration, critical thinking, and a shared commitment to harnessing the power of AI for good. The world of LLMs is a fascinating and rapidly evolving landscape, full of promise and potential pitfalls. From revolutionizing industries to challenging our perceptions of intelligence and creativity, LLMs are poised to reshape our world in profound ways. Now it's your turn to join the conversation. What are your thoughts on the future of LLMs? What excites you the most about their potential? What concerns you the most about their potential impact? Share your thoughts, questions, and insights as we navigate this exciting new frontier together. The future of AI is a collaborative endeavor, and your voice matters.